All right, let's talk about this mini mommy makeover ad from Capital of Physical Medicine in Raleigh. It says Raleigh and surrounding ladies looking to slim down and tighten skin. For the next 15 ladies only, we're offering a cryo slimming session plus laser lipo session plus personalized weight loss strategy for just $199 instead of $500. Non-invasive, no discomfort, permanent fat reduction, no recovery, no downtime. Sessions are limited and booking fast. Claim your permanent fat meltdown treatment now. Tap get offer to claim this amazing deal. You got a picture with the same offer, and then the headline is Mini Mommy Makeover 199. All right, so the offer is fire, right? You're stacking cryo slimming, a laser lipo, and a custom weight loss strategy, all for just $199 instead of $500. That's massive value. But here's where it falls short, right? First, the headline and first line are competing for attention. One says Mini Mommy Makeover, the other says Ladies of Raleigh. We need one bold, clear hook that actually stops the scroll. Second, there's a lot of good words, no discomfort, permanent fat reduction, but it's stated clinically, right? There's no emotion, no feeling, and no visual or sensory language. That makes you that really doesn't make you say yes, right? That's me. And finally, tap get offer, right? It isn't cutting it, right? Where's the urgency? Where's the frictionless call to action that feels native to Instagram or Facebook? This ad isn't bad. It just needs to feel more like a conversation, not a commercial. So we're going to rewrite this using a $97 ad rewrite playbook to turn this into a scroll stopping, booking busting mini makeover promo. All right, so I'm going to grab a screenshot of this ad here so I have it in my document. Just insert image there. And we're going to work on just the copy of this ad. All right. Make that smaller. All right, so copy. And I'm gonna talk you through all the changes I'm gonna make here. So first, we're gonna call out the local area with some identity. So we're gonna say, hey, Raleigh, want to melt fat without lifting a finger. This calls out the city plus big desire with a little exaggeration equals scroll stopped. All right, we're going to offer some urgency. So only 15 women can grab our 199 Mini Mommy Makeover. Normally $500. All right, we front load scarcity, add the deal, and repeat the offer name for consistency. Shrink stubborn inches, tighten skin, love your mirror again. All right, this hits pain points and emotional reward in 3 clean beats. No scalpels. Scalpels. No soreness, just results you feel. Right, this removes the fear, adds a physical sensation. Perfect for moms, hustlers, and boss babes who want it all. Right, this makes them feel seen and empowered, right? Only 7 spots left this week. Once they're gone, they're gone. All right, so we're adding some real stakes, some real pressure, and then we're just gonna get them to comment meltdown, and we'll DM you the booking link. Right? No form, no phone call, just drop the keyword. And then we're gonna wrap it up with motivation and action. So this is your no sweat, high impact glow up. Let's go. All right, I'm also give you some headlines for this as well. So 199 mommy makeover deal, and then fat melt down, no downtime. All right, so meltdown, no downtime. All right, so there is our copy and our two headlines. Let's review this. So we say, hey, Raleigh, want to melt fat without lifting a finger? Only 15 women can grab our $199 Mini Mommy Makeover, normally $500. Shrink stubborn inches, tighten skin, love to remember again. No scalpels, no soreness, just results you feel. Perfect for mom, hustlers, and boss babes who want it all. Only 7 spots left this week. Once they're gone, they're gone. Comment meltdown and we'll DM you the booking link. This is your no sweat, high impact glow up. Let's go. And we got the headlines there. All right. So we kept the irresistible 199 offer, but turned the tone from clinical to compelling. We use identity-driven hooks, emotional outcomes, sensory promises, and a comment-based call to action that actually works in today's social landscape. This rewrite makes the audience feel something, not just understand something. And when they feel it, they book it. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.